So the stinky stuff you can sometimes see and always smell. There's also pollutants that you can't see or smell. And an example of one indoor pollutant, we mentioned this in Unit 1 when I was talking about natural radioactivity, but radon. Remember, radon is a decay product in the uranium decay series. And that is a pollutant that contributes to remember, most of the background radiation that we're exposed to in the world comes from radon, the ionizing radiation, and that can be found inside your house. If you live in a region where you have a basement, basements are dug into where there's rocks, and rocks contain uranium. And over time, as the uranium decays, there are always a chance that radon will be present. And in your home, it can build up. Now, the thing about this is building up. This is a problem with modern building techniques. I mean, in the United States, to try to have better energy efficiency, we've built homes that are very airtight. That is, the air, everything is sealed up really well. The windows are airtight, the doors are airtight. And so whatever air is inside your home or your office building is pretty much the air that's going to stay inside unless you have some kind of air exchange system. But if if it's not too hot or not too cold outside and you're not running your air exchange, then the air inside your house can become pretty stagnant. And so the problem with the energy efficiency of the homes is that the air pollution inside your house can build up. One way that people deal with radon, for example, is they put a fan in their basement, and they just have a little air exchange to just keep the air turning over in their basements, inside air, outside air, to keep the radon concentration low if they live in an area where there's uranium in the rocks. And you can test your home to see if you have a radon, high radon concentration just by buying a radon test kit. You can order one off the internet. Okay, so with all indoor pollution, the problem is the concentrations of the indoor pollutions can build up due to the lack of good air circulation, which is a result of just trying to make our homes more efficient, to keep the hot air out or the cold air out, depending on the season.